Okay, so this is the last part of the series where we talked about the Google Lead extension, how to use Google Sheets as a webhook to capture the lead. The last part I wanted to cover is how to use Zapier to automatically integrate Google Sheets with your cell phone. So when the new lead comes in, you will get a text message notifying you. And this can be done using Zapier, the integration tool, for free. Of course, it'd be nice if you have a CRM system that you're paying for and you use all the fancy integration tools that Google recommends. But if you're bootstrapping your business, then you already spent money on Google Ads and all the other stuff and the website and everything. You don't want to spend money here. There's a way to do this free. Google Sheets is free, and I showed you in the previous parts how to set it up on Google Sheets as a webhook. It does require a little bit of coding, but the code is available. Just go back to part 3 and review that. Send me a message and I'll send you the code. The last part is Zapier. You can set up Zapier at a free account, and you can have up to 5 zaps, what they call zaps. So let's do that. You go to Zapier. Let's start from the beginning. You create a zap. This is my account. New zap. And we need 2 apps, Google Sheets and the SMS by Zapier. So let's set up the first step is connect this with the Google Sheets that we already have set up. New spreadsheet rule. Continue. Choose the right sheet. And then, use the correct tab. In this Google Sheets, we have 3 tabs. The last one is raw context. Whenever there's a new lead, this will get populated, and the format leads would have a nice format separating the fields. So we're going to use raw context. Okay, so this completes the first step, which is setting up a Google Sheets. Now I'm going to skip the trigger and get the SMS set up first, and then we do the test at the end. Okay, so it's SMS by Zapier. Send SMS. That's just meaning it's a text message. So it does, when I first set up, it does require you to put your mobile information in there to set up the SMS Zapier by Zapier. So I already have it here. I'm going to use this one and then continue. Okay, from a phone number, I use random. It doesn't matter where it comes from. And then for the message, this will be the text message headline. I'm going to use the same as the Google Sheets name. Okay, so that's populated. Complete this step. Test trigger. Don't want to test now. Okay, so it looks like it's set up completely. Okay, we're not going to use the action 3. All we need is to connect the 2 together. So we're already complete the 2. I think there's an error message. Where's that error message? Test. Asking me to test. Okay, so it's published zap. Okay, I'm going to publish. because I think I need to publish for it to work. Anyway, so let's see how much time we have. Okay, 3. So now we have completed 3 steps. We have set up the Google lead form right here. We have set up the Google Sheets as a webhook, and it's connected to the lead form. And then we also set up a Zap. Let's use the same name. Zapier. Okay, so we set up Zap. So now I'm going to test the data from here. So what should happen if everything works well, and I hope it'll work well. What you will see is when I click on the the send test data, the Google Sheets is going to populate with a new lead, and then the Zapier is going to send a text message to my phone. So let's see how it works. Test Google Sheet. So the sheet's populated, and there's a new lead form just populate. Google lead form. You see that?